Hi, Randy Ora with the Ora Group and Berkshire Hathaway here in Laguna Niguel, California. I want to give you a market update. We're 1 week into September, so looking back in the month of July and August, where we may be headed, where we've been, where we are now, and where we may be headed in the future. I look at several data points. It takes me about a week to compile all the data information that I look at from multiple sources, and not only know the numbers, but have an opinion as to what it means. Where do the numbers really lead us in terms of the market strength and where we may be headed? So the first data point to take a look at is days on market. In July, we were hovering around 51 days on market on average for the homes from 1 bedroom, 1 bath to estate luxury homes, everything put together about 51 days. We increased in the month of August to 60 days. So we had a significant increase in days on market. It's just taking a little bit longer for our absorption to happen and buyers to go under contract. The other data point that I look at is inventory. In the month of July, we had on average 85 homes on the market at any given time. We ticked up just a little bit on average in August to 87 homes. We are down right now to 82 homes on average for the first 6-7 days of September. And one of those being a holiday. We just came through Labor Day. But on average, we're about 82 homes on the market in the city of Laguna Niguel. So pretty stable inventory over the past 2.5 months. Dollar per square foot has fluctuated in July. Now, this does not reflect everybody's home value. This only takes a look at the homes that sold, which are less than, on an annual basis, less than 2% turnover for the entire city of Laguna Niguel. So small representation compared to the total number of homes. So understand, this is only reflective of the homes that have sold. We went from $739 on average to $711 on average from July to August. We went down slightly for the first week of September to $698 per foot. So we're fluttering and teetering right below and right above $700 per foot on average for the city of Laguna Niguel for homes that have sold. Here's the real interesting statistic, and I'm going to tell you my opinion as to why I believe it's happening. In the month of July, our median sales price, the price point at which half of the homes sold above and half of the homes sold below, was $1,575,000. That was the median sales price. We went up $100,000 from July to August to $1,675,000. And that's a dramatic shift in just 30 days, saying that more expensive homes were able to sell and the lesser expensive homes had a harder time, struggled just a little bit, because that shift up of $100,000 just says to us that expensive homes are selling a little bit easier than the less expensive, or at a quicker rate. I believe that it's definitely reflective of our mortgage interest rates. Now, when you hear on the news interest rates going up, interest rates going down, they're probably talking about the Fed. They're not talking necessarily about mortgage rates. So keep your antenna up, listen for interest rates relative to mortgage, okay? That is very different from overall interest rates fluctuating up and down. When mortgage rates crest 6%, and we're currently at 6.04 for a good borrower, good credit, good history, good employment, we're looking at 6.04 for the average borrower, and that is historically low. But in our recent history for the past 2 to 3 years, it seems a bit high, because we were used to high 2s, low 3s. And now when we went up probably about 3 months ago, which definitely affected our market, 3 to 4 months ago, we started to see interest rates affecting home sales. We started to see that at 6%, that was a real threshold for really putting a little bit of a lid on the market. And that's what's hurting our sales, and that's what's hurting real estate transactions by count. Home values are holding on by the fingertips. We may see a little dip in value as we move forward into the fourth quarter, but I think it's going to be a fairly level market. I'm going to say today that I believe the market is stable, and I'll share with you 3 data points as to why. In the past 7 days, the first week of September, we had 11 homes come on the market, brand new listings. 11 homes sell. So an absolute wash of inventory level, okay? 11 new listings and 11 sales. We ironically had 11 closings of escrows that have been in escrow for the past on average 30 days. So we have 11, 11, 11. That's a unique period of time where 11 homes sold, 11 homes came on the market, and 11 homes closed escrow. My observation of that is that we're in a fairly stable market, and for the month of July into August, moving forward now into September, that's a good sign that we have a stable market in that respect. Randy Orr with Berkshire Hathaway, changing lives one home at a time. If I can help you with any of your real estate questions, my number is 949-584-4466. My email address is randy@randyorra.com. I look forward to helping you. I will bring you information on a monthly basis, helping you understand our real estate market here in Laguna Niguel.